Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss how to find characteristic polynomial, characteristic equation and characteristic values. Okay, come on, write the question. Find the characteristic polynomial, find the characteristic polynomial, characteristic equation and characteristic roots for the following matrix. Come right. A equal to -1 0 1 -3 4 1 0 0 2. -1 0 1 -3 4 1 0 0 2. We have to find characteristic polynomial, characteristic equation and characteristic roots. Come on, right. Solution. Here on the right, given. A equal to, come right, the characteristic polynomial is the characteristic CHARACTERISTIC. The characteristic polynomial is determinant of a minus lambda I. The characteristic polynomial is that of a minus lambda I. Come on, substitute here. A matrix we have -1 0 1 -3 4 1 0 0 2 minus lambda times of identity matrix. The identity matrix is 1 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. For that we have to multiply with lambda. Come on, multiply. Nothing but you will get lambda 0 0 0 lambda 0 0 0 lambda modulus. So very simple. A minus lambda I. I wrote matrix A first. Matrix A is -1 0 1 -3 4 1 0 0 2 minus lambda times of identity matrix 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. We are multiplying with lambda. Lambda is a scalar. I multiplied it. That's all. Now I have to simplify this matrix. Nothing but I have to do subtraction. Come on, subtraction, do it. Yes. Now continue. -1 minus lambda, first elements, first row, first element, -1 minus lambda. Next, here we have 0, here also we have 0, 0 minus 0, 0. Second row, second element. Next, 1 minus 0, 1. First row is over. Now second row subtraction, corresponding elements, -3 minus 0, -3, 4 minus lambda, 1 minus 0, 1. Second row is over. Now third row, 0 minus 0, 0, 0 minus 0, 0, and here we have 2 minus lambda, 2 minus lambda. This is determinant. So once here see, I did for corresponding elements, I did -1 minus lambda, first row first element, here first row first element. Next second row second element, second row, sorry, first row second element, first row second element. So -1 minus lambda, 0 minus 0, 0, 1 minus 0, 1, -3 minus 0, -3, 4 minus lambda, 1 minus 0, 1. Third row, 0 minus 0, 0, again 0, and third one is 2 minus lambda. Now we have to find determinant for this one. Determinant for 3 by 3 matrices already we know. Yes, come on, continue. Here, minus 1 minus lambda. Yes, I can write from here onwards. Minus 1 minus lambda times, leave first row and leave this column, AD minus BC. Minus 1 minus lambda times, leave this row and leave this column, simply have to AD minus BC, nothing but 4 minus lambda into 4 minus lambda into 2 minus lambda. 4 minus lambda into 2 minus lambda. 4 minus lambda into 2 minus lambda. Minus 0 into 1, 0. Or minus 0 into anything becomes 0 only. Minus 0 into anything 0. So I leave that one. Plus 1 into leave this column and leave this row, simply getting minus 3 into 0, 0, minus 3 into 0, 0, minus 0 into 4 minus lambda, 0. So we have to find determinant for this 3 by 3 matrix. Minus 1 minus lambda, minus 1 minus lambda, leave this row and leave this column, simply AD minus BC. 4 minus lambda into 2 minus lambda minus 0 into 1, 0, minus 0 times of AD minus BC. So simply getting 0 only. If you want, I will write minus 0, no problem. Both are same only. Minus 0 times of, leave this row and leave this column, but 0 to anything becomes 0 only. So simply I wrote 0. Plus 1 into, leave this column and leave this row. Again AD minus BC, minus 3 into 0, 0, minus 0 times of 4 minus lambda, 0 only. So second element and third element completely becomes 0. Format implies minus 1 minus lambda into, come on, multiply 4 into 2, 4 to the 8, minus 4 into lambda, minus 4 lambda, minus 2 lambda, plus lambda square. Therefore implies minus 1 minus lambda times of minus 1 minus lambda. Are you able to see the board properly? Minus 1 implies minus 1 minus lambda times lambda square, minus 4 lambda minus 2 lambda minus 6 lambda plus 8. This is characteristic polynomial. Now I am going to find characteristic equation. Come right. The characteristic equation is just make it polynomial equal to 0. The characteristic equation is minus 1 minus lambda times of lambda square minus 6 lambda plus 8 equal to 0. The characteristic equation is minus 1 minus lambda times lambda square minus 6 lambda plus 8 equal to 0. Now I have to do characteristic equation, I have to find. So characteristic equation is over. Characteristic roots. Come on, keep the heading. Characteristic roots. Yes, I'll solve this one. First we have minus 1 minus lambda equal to 0 or lambda square minus 6 lambda plus 8 equal to 0. Come on, right. Therefore, minus 1 minus lambda equal to 0. One more. Lambda square minus 6 lambda plus 8 equal to 0. If I solve this one, minus 1 minus lambda equal to 0, minus 1 equal to lambda. So lambda is equal to 1. Sorry, lambda equal to minus 1. I got one root, Still I have to get two more roots. This common, copy it. I got characteristic polynomial. I make it equal to 0. So that I got one of the root, I got lambda equal to -1. So I have to find one more, I have to find. Two more roots I have to find. Lambda square minus 6 lambda plus 8 equal to 0. This one I have to solve it. Come right? Lambda square minus 6 lambda plus 8 equal to 0. 2 4 are 8. 2 4 are 8. So I can write this one 8 as 6 as lambda square minus 2 lambda minus 4 lambda plus 8 equal to 0. I wrote minus 6 lambda as minus 2 lambda minus 4 lambda. Now take lambda common. Lambda minus 2 minus 4 times of lambda minus 2 equal to 0. So lambda minus 4 times lambda minus 2. Therefore lambda equal to 2 comma 4. Lambda equal to 2 comma 4. Therefore the characteristic roots are the matrix is of order 3 by 3. So obviously 3 roots will exist. The 3 roots are, one is -1, 2 and 4. That's all. The characteristic roots are -1, 2 and 4. Just come and copy it. So once here see, he gave the matrix first. We have to find characteristic polynomial. We have to find. First we did characteristic polynomial. We did. The characteristic polynomial is a minus lambda equal to 0. Matrix A minus lambda times of identity matrix. I simplified it. I did subtraction for 2 matrices. I got the matrix. That matrix I have to find determinant. The determinant is first element into AD minus BC minus of second element into AD minus BC plus third element into AD minus BC. I simplified it. I got the polynomial I got. The polynomial I make it equal to 0. I got characteristic equation. As I solved it, so that I got the characteristic roots. I got it. That's all. Let's come and copy it. Yes. That's enough. I will explain one more problem. So the characteristic values are -1, 2 and 4. Let's give the conclusion. That's enough. I will explain one more problem. Okay? Yes. Now continue. Next question. Find the characteristic polynomial, characteristic roots and characteristic equation. Come on, find the characteristic polynomial, characteristic equation and characteristic roots for the following matrix. A equal to 6 minus 2 0, 6 minus 2 0, minus 2 9 0, minus 2 9 0, 5 8 3, 5 8 3. Come on. Once again, 6 minus 2 0, minus 2 9 1, 5 8 3. Let it be as A. Always given. Come right. Solution. Given A equal to, come right. The characteristic polynomial is the characteristic polynomial is CHA RA CT ER IST IC. The characteristic polynomial is determinant A minus lambda I The characteristic polynomial is mod A minus lambda I. Come on, substitute the values. Matrix A, 6 minus 2 0 minus 2 9 0 5 8 3. 6 minus 2 0 minus 2 9 0 5 8 3 minus lambda times of lambda 0 0 0 lambda 0 0 0 lambda. This is modulus A minus lambda I. Lambda into 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. So obviously you will get lambda 0 0 0 lambda 0 0 0 lambda. Now I have to subtract these two matrices. Between you have minus is there. A minus lambda I. Then we have to find the determinant. Before finding determinant, we have to subtract matrix A and lambda I. Come on. Implies, come on, do subtraction corresponding elements. We have to do it for the matrices. 6 minus lambda. 6 minus lambda. Next, minus 2 minus 0 minus 2. Next, 0 minus 0 0. First row once again here, see 6 minus lambda, I wrote same only, minus 2 minus 0 minus 2, 0 minus 0 0. First row is over. Now second row, minus 2 minus lambda, sorry, minus 2 minus 0, 9 minus lambda, 0 minus 0. Third row, 5 minus 0 5, 8 minus 0 8, 3 minus lambda. For this we have to find the determinant. Once again see properly. 6 minus lambda, minus 2 0 minus 2, 9 minus lambda 0 5 8, 3 minus lambda. Now find determinant for this one. Implies we have 6 minus lambda times, leave this row and leave this column, simply we have to subdo AD minus BC. AD minus BC, 6 minus lambda into AD minus BC. So minus 9 minus lambda times 3 minus lambda, sorry, okay, 9 minus lambda times 3 minus lambda minus 8 into 0, 8 into 0 is 0, over minus second element I have to do it, minus of minus plus 2 into again AD minus BC. Leave this row and leave this column, simply getting minus 2 into 3 minus lambda, minus 2 into 3 minus lambda, 5 into 0 0 1, plus 0 into anything becomes 0 1. So once here see 6 minus lambda, leave this column, leave this row, we have 4 elements is there. 9 minus lambda times 3 minus lambda minus 8 into 0 0, minus of second element minus 2, that becomes plus 2, minus of minus 2 plus 2, leave this row and leave this column, leave this column and leave this row, minus 2 into 3 minus lambda, 5 into 0 0. Next this we have to find for 0 into anything becomes 0 only, so I wrote 0 only. Now we have to simplify it. 6 minus lambda, let's come on, multiplied 9 3 is 27, minus 9 lambda minus 3 lambda plus lambda square. Once again 6 minus lambda times of 27, 9 3 is 27 minus 9 lambda minus 3 lambda plus lambda square, plus 2 into times of minus 2 into 3 minus 6 plus 2 into lambda 2 lambda equal to, so okay, We are finding polynomial, no? Leave it like that. Plus 2 minus 6 plus 2 lambda. Come on, simplify it. 6 minus lambda times lambda square minus 3 lambda minus 9 lambda minus 12 lambda plus 27. 6 minus lambda into lambda square minus 12 lambda plus 27 minus 2 6 is 12 plus 2 to the 4 lambda minus 12 plus 4 lambda. Come on, simplify it. With 6 we have to multiply. 6 lambda square minus 12 6 is 72 lambda plus 6 7 is 42 4 6 2 is 12 162 minus lambda into cube lambda cube plus 12 lambda square plus into minus minus 27 lambda. First I multiply with 6 into lambda square 6 lambda square 6 into minus 12 lambda 72 lambda 6 is into 26 times 162 minus lambda into lambda square lambda cube minus into minus plus lambda into 12 lambda square minus lambda into 27 minus 27 lambda minus 12 plus 4 lambda. Come on, simplify it. You will get as minus lambda cube. Lambda square means 6 lambda square plus 12 lambda square. 6 plus 12 18 lambda square. Next lambda minus 27 lambda plus 4 lambda minus 23 lambda minus 23 lambda again. So still one more is there, no? Minus 72 nothing but 5 minus 95 lambda minus 95 lambda because here 3 lambdas are there. Minus 72 lambda minus 97 lambda minus plus 4 lambda, nothing but minus 95, no? How much I got? 23, yes, minus 95 lambda. Still we have number is there, plus 162 minus 12. 162 minus 12 means plus 150. Plus 150. This is characteristic polynomial. Come on, see the characteristic polynomial. Minus lambda cube plus 18 lambda square minus 95 lambda plus 150. That's all. Now, come on, copy it first. Let's continue. The characteristic equation is polynomial we got. Come on, right? The characteristic polynomial is lambda cube minus lambda cube plus 18 lambda square minus 95 lambda plus 150. The characteristic equation is correct. The characteristic equation is, now write the equation. No, I can make it minus lambda cube, I can make it positive. Lambda cube minus 18 lambda square plus 95 lambda minus 150 equal to 0. Lambda cube minus 18 lambda square plus 95 lambda minus 150 plus 150 minus 150 equal to 0. Come on, assume lambda is equal to 1, 2, 3 like that. One of the equation will satisfy. Trial and error method do it. Lambda equal to 1, lambda 2 equal to lambda equal to 3. For lambda equal to 3, you will get the equation lambda equal to 3. Lambda is equal to 3, you will get one root and find the remaining roots with the help of synthetic method. And then you will get lambda is equal to, what are the values? 5 and 10. 5 and 10. Therefore, The characteristic roots are lambda equal to 3, 5, 10. The characteristic roots are 3, 5 and 10. So I got a characteristic polynomial, I got characteristic equation I wrote. You have to find the roots. I gave the answer directly. Lambda cube is there, so 3 roots will be there. I assume lambda equal 1, 2, 3. For 3 you will get the answer. This equation will be satisfied. Go for synthetic method, then you will get the 2 roots, you will get 5 and 10. That's all. It's enough for today. The next class again we will continue with one more problem. Thank you.